Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. Even though this is a woodwork shop, I am going to do a little bit of metalworking. And I'm going to try to make some bookmarks out of a piece of what I assume is brass. If this is not brass, it obviously looks very much like it. It's non-ferrous. This back of this level is magnetic, so it's not reacting to magnets at all. So it is a soft metal of some sort. And so what I plan on doing is I'm going to line either side of this piece of metal with plywood and then use my woodworking tools to cut it. We'll see how well this works. Now comes the first scary part. So I have now attached wood to the piece of metal, and I want to cut two strips out of it, roughly 2 inches each. And I'm going to use my table saw. I have a cross-cut blade on here, and this is a saw stop, so I need to disable the brake when I do this, or I'm going to be spending a lot of money. And I'm just going to go in really slow, and we'll hope for the best. Well, that was a little nerve-wracking. I really didn't want to risk setting off the table brake, but you know, I'm trying new things. So it was a risk I took in hopes that I didn't mess up. So I didn't. So this is what we have so far. I drilled some 1/4-inch holes, and what I need to do is cut out this center part and then these letters. And what I'm going to use is my scroll saw. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but so far this has all been an experiment and learning all the time. You can see this is a tool that I don't regularly use. I don't. So let's start here. All right, here comes the big reveal. These are looking great, and I think they're going to work just fine, but the edges are kind of rough. So what I'm going to hit it with is a wire wheel on the drill press. And then I'm going to hit it with a buffer. Let's see how it works. Well, it turns out that it was aluminum and not brass, but after a couple coats of clear polyurethane, I think these are done. Here, put your bookmark in your front book. Not that one, silly. This one.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
There it is. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Good thing you have all those expensive tools and your skills. You saved a bundle of money on bookmarks at the dollar store.